Well, here I am at the Glensound stand here, IBC 2019. One of two videos that we're doing. In this particular video, we're talking to Gavin Davies. Hi, Gavin.
Good morning, John.
Good morning. So, always plenty to talk about. We're going to concentrate on one particular product. This one at the top, tell us about that.
So this one at the top, it's part of our Bella audio monitoring range, which is the Dante network audio monitoring system. Now, the most important thing is, why is it called Bella? So Bella was Dante's mother, and you always have to listen to your mother, otherwise you're in trouble. So that's why our audio monitoring range of Dante products are branded Bella. So this particular one, Bella 22. 22 equates to 22 audio inputs to our one new monitoring rack. 20 of those are from the Dante network, and there's 2 local analog inputs on the back as well. So 20 audio inputs, but 10 front panel sets of controls. Each set of control is the same, so we've got a volume control, we've got a presence LED, we've got a pair of toggle switches. The first one selects whether it's routing 1 or 2 of the audio channels from the Dante network to that input channel, and the bottom toggle switch selects whether you're routing that selected channel to the left or right outputs of the device. If you've got a stereo input coming to the device and you've got the top circuit routed to both and the bottom circuit routed to just left, it will mono that stereo circuit for you to the left. If you've got both routed to both, then you get full stereo through the system. The little switch next to the toggle switches here, this bright yellow switch, this turns the audio monitoring on and off the loudspeakers. And if you want to just quickly listen to one circuit, you press and hold, it will solo it for you, take your finger off, and then it's back to listening to your preset mix. There's other useful parts of the system. So we've got a dim and a cut selection circuit on the front here. These have both got GPIs associated to them on the rear. There's analog audio out on this device, so as well as having front panel loudspeakers, and you'll notice these front panel loudspeakers here fill up virtually the whole of the one new panel. Now, earlier this year we did some development work on one new loudspeaker monitoring systems, and we discovered a new drive unit on the market that was originally designed for flat panels TVs, and it was only just available in January this year, and we discovered we could just get it into a one new rack, and it is leaps and bounds better performance than anything we've ever discovered previously. Its LF response goes down way further than anything. I mean, it's a confidence monitor, it's not reference, so by going down way further than anything, it's reaching 100 hertz before it's beginning to roll off badly. But it's very, very flat for incomparable to other devices, all the way up to 20k, which is staggering from such a small loudspeaker. If you're not using the internal loudspeakers, there's Dante network outputs of your mix, and there's also analog outputs on the back of your mix. So, and there's a GPI on the rear of the unit to allow you to disable your front panel loudspeakers but still use your LS cut and your dim circuits correctly. So that's all rather handy. The other 2 circuits I've not mentioned, there's 2 analog inputs on the back, and they're available on these 2 little switches here, and you can route them in preference to your Dante circuits on the first 2 audio channels. The other thing it does for you, so we're using a Brooklyn module in here, so it's redundant Dante circuits on it. It can be PoE powered, but there's also a wide mode switch mode power supply in there. There's 32 Dante network audio outputs from the device. So there's a whole load which are basically just the outputs of the individual channels. So you can use this just as a gain adjust, if you like, for the Dante inputs. Whatever's coming into the channel will be routed out after the gain control. There's outputs of the mix to the Dante network, and there's a whole variety of them. Some are pre or post the master volume control, some are pre-post the dim cut LS switches, so whatever you're likely to want to pick up on your network, it'll be there for you. So to sort of summarise, it's a modern Dante-based AMU.
Gavin, amazing from you guys, as always. First time we've seen this. What's the availability?
It's in stock. We designed it earlier the year and have been shipping it since then, and it's been selling like hotcakes, which is why we're talking to you about it now.
Gavin, thank you very much. Now, obviously, people can come and see you here at IBC. They want to find out more. And is there a website they can go to?
Of course, it's glensound.com.
Thank you very much, Gavin. There you go. You want to find out more about the full Bella range, especially the Bella 22, go and have a look at Glensound's website. For more from us here at IBC 2019, don't forget to check out kitplus.com.